Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Cadillac Escalade. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 99,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, OnStar, and Bluetooth.